Until you have motorbike. Let's go.
There's 7 of us within child swap.
Your time is. I'm recording.
Yes. I should have put my hat in there too.
Oh yeah, totally.
Or if you're an expectant mother, or if you are prone to motion sickness or dizziness, or are recovering from recent surgery or any other condition that may be aggravated by intense movement, you should not take part in today's lesson.
Your party will be split between rows and quite possibly ride vehicles. This is normal and to be expected due to the nature of our loading process. If you have any concerns or questions, please speak to the nearest caretaker.
Don't mind the thestrals, they're clever and useful they are.
Oh!
Off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. We'll have to round up the streets before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
Okay. Oh!
Arthur warned me about those boots, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks.
Hi, Fluffy.
No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power.
Oh!
I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry. sorry. I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solen after me. Lumos Solen.
Lumos Solen. Oh!
That was close. Oh, you found my missing string. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Oh! It's the
Purple button! Ah!
Dragon Fire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Bitsy, Scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.
Like,